Shout, Cole, why are you
Oh,
standing
you almost
there?
had it going back. What?
Why are you standing there? You're going to trip my ass. Thank you.
Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. You straight like raped your ass bone.
And my wrist bone too. Fuck. The same one I broke like 8 years ago that hurt so bad.
If you would have landed that would have been the shit.